going to start it soon.
Yeah. I just repeated what you said earlier.
Yeah, because that was covered in your international meeting that was last.
All right. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
It's done there. We won't have an international meeting until Monday because, you all know today is tonight starts the Chinese New Year. So we like to honor the friends
Okay.
who are celebrating Chinese New Year. It's a year of the ox. I don't know if it means anything to you, but it's a wonderful year, I was told. But all the same, what Mr. Kadu said is we are all set up to do our pilot project. So things are moving as in the favorable, what you call way as we wanted. So we have to think, make sure that these things will work out as we planned. Lots of people are coming in from different parts of the world to join them in large numbers. Some of them are coming in, as I've always mentioned, we not only talk to people, but we also what we call invited people to come in big ways. So many of them are responding, like in Nigeria, in Malaysia, and other places. India too. India too have got its shares of people. So there is no worry that in the next week or so, we will have that 3 million people ready for the advertising company to launch.
Wow.
As Mr. Kadu says, or as I've also said, there may be little challenges here and there, but before that time, we will be able to what we call integrate our website to the app for the purpose of testing it. And later, when we are ready, the apps, that is the smartphone apps, you'll be asked to download. And the fact that you've already installed it, that will be remembered because I was told that you will be using the same login as you are using for your what you call logging in into your account. So it will be very straightforward. So don't expect much problems. Okay. So when we start, the most important thing is you must make sure that everybody that you have brought in, you have paid for as sponsorship, which of course you don't have control. The company will not let you know who they are, but you be sure that they are joining you because they want to make money. If they watch the ads, they will make money. If they don't watch the ads, they won't make money and you won't make money. If you don't watch the ads, you are setting a bad example. Okay, so you and I who are members must make it a point, make it a habit that for the first time when you wake up, you do it, whatever you do that you do regularly in the morning or afternoon, whenever you wake up, make sure you spend 10, 20 minutes maximum to watch the ads and you're done for the day. And if you do this every day, you don't have to spend more than 10 hours a whole month, 30 days, in order to make not just what do you call 83 euros, but you can make 80,000 euros if you know what you're supposed to do. Okay, friends. So I'm glad that we have great leadership and understanding with the friends here. So you have the remaining 4 or 5 days. All right, don't stop. Life, the advertising program will be there. All right, you can sign in anytime, even after the advertising program has started. Only those members who have joined us earlier but did not do their PV and who have been assigned future shares, and you have been assigned future shares if you have brought them. If those people in the next 4 or 5 days did not do their personal verification, they will lose their future shares which they have gained, and you will also lose the future shares that were given to you, assigned to you because you brought them in. So it's a duty of both the what you call the person who sponsored and the person who was sponsored to make sure that you do your PV. 10 euros, that's about all right? For leaders, if you have people among you who have not done their personal verification, don't hesitate to pay for them. You spend 10 euros, and every month when they watch the ad, he is making or she is making for you 83 euros. So it's a big reason why, if they can't afford it, you who can should pay for them. All right, because it's an investment into their future as well as your prosperity. Is that fine, Mr. Chandan?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yes.
absolutely.
Okay. If there is anything specific, yeah, I will be glad to.
Yeah,
Yes,
Gananach,
a lot of yes.
I'll be specific. Ask me questions. I will be able to help you. All right.
can
Uh,
can
I'll
I
wait until for the next 30 minutes or so.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll try to cover up as soon as possible.
Yeah, yeah, do that.
Sir, the most awaited question which people ask every time during the meetings also is
Okay.
that when is Mr. Alex coming into picture?
Okay, Alex is not well. All right. This company is not dependent upon Mr. Alex. Although he is the founder, he has a group of very capable, able people who are running the company, and that was his plan from the beginning. You remember when I introduced him to the group here, he said something. I wanted to retire, but because I asked him to come in and get things moving, he joined us. So he has set up something. So unfortunately, he's not too well to take calls and all. He will join us as soon as he is physically okay. I cannot promise when, but whatever he has put in line for the company to do, it is being done. We have very capable people in the management, in the operations, and the technology side of the company who are knowledgeable in doing that. So the question is, I can't say when, but the interest, the success of the company, the success of each and every one of you is very dearly in his heart. That's all I can say for now. Okay, let's pray for him so that he can join us faster. Thank you.
The second question is whether the advertisement pack, now we are saying that 15th is the last day, whether it will be valid again after 15th also, advertising sponsorship pack?
A very good question, Ranaj. The advertising packages will always be there, all right? Because people will want to make money, whether they will make money through joining Ya Lifestyle or they will make money by joining our advertising company. They have different deals for those who join the advertising company. They will make much less what you call income than those of us who join Ya Lifestyle. They share the same advertising platform, and we have also, for the time being, uh, we have been able to pay partly for their what we call personal verification. So because you paid €5 per person to be sponsored under you, they will be watching the ads as long as the programs last. Okay, but we don't have a hold on them. We cannot say you cannot contact them, that kind of thing. It's just a way to the company or Mr. Alex has set it up in such a way so that we can start the advertising program, because partly we have to be blamed. If you want to take responsibility, you must take responsibility. Everyone was given a chance to introduce people, sponsor real people, your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, your village people, your town people, your colleagues, all these people you are supposed to do. But, people didn't do it. You know that, way back in July when we launched the so-called 3MM project, okay, project 3MM plus, when 1,000 people, started the 3x7 network in about 2 to 3 weeks, maybe a month, we should have 3 million people. The company also came out and said, look, my friends, the company needed 600 people who will bring 5,000 each. That will mean 600 people multiplied by 5,000, that's 3 million. But did we achieve it? Sorry, my friends, you didn't. It's not about the numbers, it's about the time period. Everything is time based. All right. So never mind about that. You still have a chance to become what we call a VIP. All right. So we are going to start it anyway. The question you have asked is, will the advertising package will be there? Yes. Will the price will be the same? Maybe not. Maybe most likely it will be going up. How much? I don't know, but it could be anytime, anywhere between 4 to 5 times. So what you buy today as €25 can cost you at least 4 times more. But that package, even if you buy at the higher price, it is still worth it. Let me give you an example. All right. Your 300 package, remember, will give you 60 people. Now, for this period only, if you bought a €300 package, for 1 year, 12 months, you will be getting extra 50%. 50% extra means instead of €1,000 per annum as your what you call potential income, the company will give you 50% more. That means 1,500. Was it the company that gave you the 50% more? No. The nice heart of Mr. Alex, he pays it from his pocket. All right. So that is available. And after this particular, what we call mother of all campaigns, that won't be available anymore. That means after these 15, you may not have a chance to earn 50% more. So that is another reason why, for those of you can afford, please do come in, make sure that you bought the 300 or higher packages in one shot, or buy enough so that when it adds up the package prices, it adds up to 300 euros or more. So like that, you know. So on the other hand, let's say the package price, let's talk about the 100 euro package. Today you pay 100 euro for the advertising package. You will get how many people sponsored? 20 people. All right. Let's say the price goes to 4 times more. The package is 400, correct? It will not be 100, but you still get 20 people. Now, if these 20 people start watching ads and you make $80, 20 times 80, how much is that? 1,600. How much have you spent to buy the new expensive, what do you call, 100 euro package, which is now 400? Only 400. So even if the price is higher in future can be after Monday, you are still better off because you pay one time, they will be earning 1,600 every month. Am I right, Karo?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so it's still worth it, my friends. So don't lose hope. When you make money in your advertising program, when you make money in your lifestyle program, that's why it's important for you to, you know, once the advertising program and you have not actually what we call activated your lifestyle program, it is important immediately as the company offers for those who have not activated their lifestyle program to activate immediately. The company will, with your permission, take 30 euros and activate you. But activation of you alone is not sufficient. You must build a team. So whatever you do, make sure 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people do the same. All right. So that's why duplication. This is a group effort. This is a collaborative program. It is people empowering people. So when you do that, when you have the advantage of the advertising program, which is like the icing in a cake. A cake, if you just eat without the icing and the decoration, it's edible. But the cake, the icing makes it much more attractive. Okay, so a lot of people like the way it looks. Advertising program is the icing, but the real cake is the lifestyle program. So is it, do you want just the cake or just the icing? You want both, right? So it doesn't matter. You make sure that as a good businessman, remember, you don't come here for what we call handouts. We are not giving you handouts. We are giving you an opportunity to change your life, an opportunity that you and your family will not have the problem that generations for many of us, we have suffered from this, I would say, a kind of an illness called poverty. All right, poverty is almost like an illness. We can prevent it. We can find a cure for it. We can find a vaccine for it, and that vaccine is your lifestyle. So I think I've made a point, isn't it? All right, thank you very much. Any more questions?
Yeah. अगर किसी के कोई सवाल होंगे तो प्लीज आप चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए. चैट बॉक्स ओपन किया है सबके लिए. जल्दी जल्दी लिखिए क्योंकि हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम है. The validity of the advertising pack is lifetime, right, sir?
The validity of the advertising package?
Is it lifetime or is it for a certain period of time?
Lifetime. Okay. It depends on our life, you know. Your life, my life, the company's life. Okay, lifetime is a good answer.
Good.
All right, yeah.
Okay. और किसी के सवाल है तो प्लीज बोलिए. विजय जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? विजय कुमार जी.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Vijay.
Yes, most welcome, Karu sir, and you. Thank you, sir. You are coming here.
Thank you. Pleasure.
जी सर. धनंजय जी, इनको 2-3 बातें मतलब क्लियर करने के लिए कीजिएगा. लोग अभी है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. एक तो VIP के लिए काफी लोग उत्साहित है और बहुत अच्छा रिवाइज प्लान आने वाला है, तो उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी. और काफी लोग चैट में भी अभी बात कर रहे थे कि एड पैक का जो है वो फर्स्ट डे से ही सभी को मिलेगा या नहीं, वो
Okay.
कंफर्म कर लें। ठीक है, ये दो चीजें। और 300 यूरो के पैकेज में 30 यूरो से आईडी एक्टिवेट होगा या नहीं। ठीक है, ये काफी लोगों का चैट में मुझे मैसेज आया है, तो अगर ये खुद कंफर्म कर ले तो काफी लोगों का ट्रस्ट लेवल और बढ़ेगा। ठीक है जी।
Uh, Arun sir, the first
Yes,
question is,
yes, Dhananjay.
Mr. Vijay wants to know more about the revised plan which we are coming up with. Okay, can you give
Yes.
brief synopsis of it, which we are planning to launch?
I don't understand what is meant by the revised plan.
I don't know.
Okay, okay.
हेलो हेलो, हाँ
yeah,
धनंजय जी,
जी,
इनको वीआईपी कार्ड का बारे में बताने के लिए, रॉयल्टी के बारे में।
okay, royalty
Oh.
plan.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. Thanks, Vijay. I think Vijay is referring to the VIP, right?
Right.
Is it
Yes,
the VIP?
yes.
Okay, okay. VIP was not a program. It is something you do in a great way. The company recognizes your effort and they will award you a VIP. Now, if you have been reading the website, VIP is good if you earned it, but VIP can also be bought. You know that, right? If you make money, 10,000 euros will get you a VIP. And then every year, there is a renewal of 500 euros. Now, this is all on the website from the day one. But in the beginning, we needed people who believe in the company, who are able to talk to people and get them into the program. These are the people like you and many of the leaders here who have been able to bring in large numbers of people. So the company rewarded such people. Way back in July, as I mentioned earlier, we had a very special VIP program meant for that period to bring in 3 million people. That started in July, more or less at the end of August, September. The program ran out of steam because we didn't have 3 million people. We only have 1 million people or less than 1 million people. And that at point, if you remember, Vijay, that we had to depend on Mr. Alex to go and bring 1 million youths from different colleges and universities in Europe. So that gave us a 1.5 or 1.6 million people. And since that time, we have spent quite a bit of time to get this number down to zero, right? We still have 400 over people, but as I was saying earlier, that can be completed in the next couple of weeks. Doesn't matter. It will be done. We have many other ways to making it fulfill that. But the VIP program, formally introduced, is no longer valid. Some people interpreted it wrongly, that if you bring 5,000, what do you call, advertising sponsorship, you will get VIP. No, that is their own misunderstanding. Even today, after that period, because the time is gone, it has to be time-based. So today, you can purchase your VIP, all right, if you want to. Whenever we have what we call a YA club set up in your country, the so-called VIPs are associated to that club. So there is a program which has not been announced yet. When the club starts operating, the club will make income from its many sales and things like that. So part of the income will be shared by the VIPs in that arena, in that state or in that town or whatever. But since we don't have a YA club yet, so there is a general, what you call, feeling, and this is what I've been telling members. You got to, the idea here is not the rank. More than the rank, it is the money that you can make. Now, if you make, let's say, 10,000 euros and you're VIP, not very much, it's good. You're doing better than many people. But if you can make 300,000 euros, all right, and you are now a VIP, do you think that's better?
Yes.
And is it difficult to get a 300,000 per month income in YA Lifestyle? No, it's simple. We don't worry about the end result. We start a process, and that is what I've been teaching. That the company has endorsed that. If you start bringing in people, creating a team, you can start with 3, or you can start with 5. All right. If you start with 3 and complete one cycle or one level going down all the way to 9, or even before you finish 3 by 7, maybe a 3 by 4, you can start another 3. That means 3 by another whatever. So you have now got 6 people. So when you complete the 3 by 7 2 times, you essentially got your 6 by 7. But that is a fantastic website. Fantastic group. It will have a large number of people in your group. That's something like 300 over 1,000. All these you can find out by going into the website where you see the word what we call calculator, and put, instead of 3, you put there 6. Another exercise you can do is, instead of 3, you put 5. That is, everyone brings 5 in a period of 3 to 4 days or 5 days, doesn't matter. All right, and everybody is given the same chance. And when they come in, the 5 will bring 5, 25, the 25 will bring 5. This is a system we are creating. So lo and behold, in about 3 weeks to maybe 6 weeks, I don't know, because it all depends on how you look at it. You will have created a 5 by 7 network with something like 97,000 people in your network. And that is a very good number. And your income from your lifestyle program, when everybody has activated their lifestyle one time with 30 euros, you are making something like 367,000 euros and 200 euros. How do I remember the fact? Because I've been playing with the calculator, all right? So this is what should motivate you. Just start the process. When you start the process will end if you teach the members to do. So in order to help you teach this, Team Alpha, together with all the leaders around the world, including Mr. Vijay and Chandan Pandey and Alok and few others from India, we are going to start a special Telegram group. It will be called JAALAA, JALA, which means Yal Lifestyle Alpha Academy.
Okay.
So it's JAALAA. Okay, again, Ya Lifestyle Alpha Academy. It's not by the company, it's by the Team Alpha. You got me? So we're going to start it by this weekend, all right? So we are going to invite all our members. It will be in English, but we will have chapters in India and other places for different languages. So I think with the help of your leaders like Vijay and so on, we will soon have an academy where whatever we learn, the company and Alpha team or Team Alpha will be working together, and we will create the materials. So what we want to do is to create a system. If you ask me, what is the goal of the system? To get everybody to become a VIP. VIP doesn't mean, a title. It means you're making something like, okay, 367,200 euros per month, and you calculate it into rupees. At the same time, 1.3 million, that is a 6 by 7 network. Now, I know a lot of us cannot even imagine those numbers, but don't worry about it. You focus on the process. They say, focus on the journey and not on the, what we call the destination, all right? A lot of people worry about the destination. That's why they've been looking at the counter and seeing why it has not come down, and forget to do the thing that will help the counter come down. So I think we want to change our attitude and forget about keep putting goals. Start a process that everybody, whoever you are, can follow. With the advent or the beginning of our advertising program, this will become the order of the day. This is the characteristics of any true lifestylist. Thank you very much. You give me a chance, I'll talk a lot. But let's finish. All right.
I have more questions.
Thank you.
विजय जी, आपने ad package का सवाल जो किया था वो एक बार वापस
हाँ, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एजेंसी के जितने लोगों ने पैकेज दिया है, क्या उनको फर्स्ट डे जब एड चालू हो जाएगा तब से ही सभी को मिलेगा क्या एडवर्टाइजमेंट का इनकम?
Yes. Yeah. Arun sir, there's one more question. Like people who have already bought advertisement package, I believe it started from September, right? So will they get the income right from the first day itself, or will it happen stepwise?
Advertising?
Yeah, advertising, people who have bought advertising sponsorship packages, okay, will they start getting the income right from the day one after we start our advertisements for advertising sponsorship pack? Which company is supposed to sponsor under them?
Yeah. I mean, when the program starts, that's when you make money. Not if you bought it in September, How can we give you any income for September? We didn't
But
do.
from people who have already bought the packages right from September, just since the time the package got launched. Okay.
Yeah, of course. They will get it. As soon as we start our advertising package, they should get the income for all the packages they bought from whichever time.
So it is from day one.
From day one.
Yes.
When you say day one, from the day one, we start the advertising program.
Absolutely. That's what I'm talking about. Because
Okay,
company will definitely place people under them right from day one. That's what
yes. All the people that you place personally as Yah Lifestylers in level 1,
yes,
and all the packages you bought from the advertising company, and they have given you sponsorship. When the advertising program starts, you will start from that, all those inclusive. Follow me?
Okay,
sir. Thank
but
you.
let me just in case we are living in a real world. This I just want to say, because I really don't know what's happening out there. In case if the advertising company have not been able to secure, people have bought hundreds of thousands, millions. Actually, 2 million people have come in through the advertising program. Will come in through the advertising program.
300 यूरो का पैकेज, जो वाउचर वाला पैकेज लेते हैं लोग, तो काफी लोगों का क्वेश्चन था कि पिछले काफी दिनों से उनको 30 यूरो का आईडी एक्टिवेट नहीं हुआ, जो पिछले दिनों कहा गया था। जो मुझे करू सर ने तो क्लियर किया है कि वो अभी नहीं होगा, लेकिन इनके थ्रू अगर बात हो तो अच्छा है। ठीक है।
So there's one more question. Earlier there was an offer for people who buy 300 euro package. Okay, they get lifestyle package activated free of cost. So yeah, is it still there? What is the conditions for that?
A very good question, Dhananjay.
Dhananjay.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I now got it. Dhananjay. Dhananjay. Okay, so J also fine. So listen. Okay, you know what is the disadvantage of that program?
Yeah.
Although it was mooted by Mr. Alex, I think it's not a very good idea. Let me tell you why. When you bought the 300 package, you will be active. That means your lifestyle program is activated, correct?
Okay.
Will anybody who above you will make any money from there?
No. Because money is not generated.
No. So 300 package that you got packages for, you are active. Now anyone who's paid 30 euros below you, 7 levels, you are getting either 5, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 4. You know how this is being paid, right?
Yes.
So I've talked to the management. So this is it. Whether all of us have bought, many of us, not all of us, many of us have bought the 300 or higher packages. And I, for example, also activated my lifestyle account. Okay, Karun and myself, we are the first one to start activating the lifestyle, even though some of us did not here for the income. Who is not here for the income? And besides me.
Everyone is here for the income.
Okay, so it's okay because you're making the 30 euros and then you add the company to add it, right?
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
So
thank you very much, Avijay.
We don't promote that anymore.
No, we don't want to promote that anymore. It's causing confusion and a lot of people asking questions. I already activated my lifestyle account and somehow the programmers has left it out. So this has caused a lot of confusion. So let us teach our new members that activation means you have either after the advertising program or even before the advertising program, you pay 30 euros one time out of your pocket. I call it one time, lifetime out of pocket. Oops. All right, take care.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that answer, sir.
Thank you.
Let me see if there are any more authentic questions which I can ask you.
Authentic question, that's good.
Authentic question, I like you, man.
Yeah, because there are people who come up with so many silly questions which you have already answered.
Okay. I tell you, let me tell you, rephrase that for you. The only silly question is the question that's never asked. But when the question is being answered, please pay attention and listen, all right? So if you don't listen, you'll ask the question over and over. Okay. Thank you very much, Dhananjay.
Yeah, one moment.
Dhananjay, sorry.
Just a moment. Okay, there's one more question right now. After launching, do we also get the cryptocurrencies?
Okay, I honestly don't know much about the cryptocurrency, Just now I saw somebody writing in
Yeah.
your chat box.
That's right.
Countries like India and Bangladesh and Nigeria have banned. I don't know. Sometimes all these are not true. Huh? Some people who just want to make other people's life miserable. Why would the company ban something when they can make money out of it? Isn't it? So I honestly, our programs, our so-called Ya Coin, okay, JC as I call it, started when just before Mr. Alex got ill. All right, so he already got people to start the program, and many of you have made money. Okay, ask Mr. Chandan Pandey how much money he has made on the Ya Coin. Okay, quite a bit. All right, I have made a couple of 100,000 euros on the Ya Coin. Okay, but I don't know what's that. But I know about the shares. If I make $1 million shares, 2 months, 3 months from now, when the company becomes what you call
Public listed.
the shares will be converted to real shares, and the company will give me a certificate. Give all of us a certificate, whether you have 1 million shares or 1,000 shares, and that share certificate will be a public list will the public list for everybody to watch. Not only that, it is also when the company Ya Lifestyle in this case will ask their legal team or the team that is involved in going public to create certificates of share ownership for each and every one of us.
Okay.
All right, it's a big thing, my friends. It's a big thing. Two, at that point of time, you will also be asked that in the event you are no more, who do we give the shares to, or you have an income center. So God forbid something happens to you, who to whom shall you bequeath? In other words, will it for your wife, a spouse, for your mother, children? That is the point. So it's the share certificate is a serious stuff. But you don't have to wait for that. You all know about will, right? Will writing. So you can see a competent will writer. Remember, your lifestyle is going to make you, I won't say filthy wealthy, but you'll be really wealthy. Okay, so safeguard your income. All right, go and talk to a will writer and explore that, because you need to have that belief. More than belief, you need to have trust, and this is what is lacking in most people. Believe, anyone can believe anything. To trust, as I was saying the other day, you got to let go some of your own beliefs. That is like having faith in God. Do you have to believe in God, or you like to trust in God? Anyway, that's a different topic. We don't go there. Okay. Okay. So when the company becomes public, and we are going to do that, this is the time when those of us who got shares, it's time for us to celebrate. That will be like a savings for which you have not paid any single cent. Only you have joined the company and you have introduced people into the company. The more people you have introduced to the company personally, that's why your level 1 counts a lot. How many PV products have you purchased? That will give you additional shares. So in the same light is our JC. I don't know much about details of JC. Mr. Alex says when the time is ready, a team will come and they will explain to you. When that happens, I'll invite all of you to a meeting when that is being explained. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Questions. अभी जितने भी यहाँ पर मेंटर्स मौजूद हैं उनके कोई क्वेश्चंस है तो प्लीज पूछिए जल्दी.
नहीं, कोई हमारे क्वेश्चन नहीं है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मोस्ट थैंकफुल मिस्टर मैजिशियन एंड मिस्टर कैप्टन सर.
चंदन सर जी. हाँ सुनील जी बताइए. वन थिंग आई वांट टू आस्क अरुण सर कि regarding sponsorship package, suppose anybody has purchased in September, he will get the income. Suppose anybody wants to buy right now, he will get income immediately or after some months.
What package? Yeah,
advertising sponsorship package.
No, only when even you buy only when the advertising starts, you will get the income. Okay.
Okay. That's great, sir. Fantastic.
Thank you, Sunil. Yeah.
Good news. That is good news.
Good day to you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I don't think there are any more questions, but if you have,
धनंजय जी, लाइफस्टाइल बोनस का एक पन्ना है, वो थोड़ा क्लियर करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। उसमें देखिए, उनको पूछिए कि कुछ लोगों का मतलब ऐसा कहना है, और मीटिंग में भी सुना गया था कि 300 यूरो का पैकेज एक साथ में लेने पे ही 15 1.5 गुना मिलता है, 1500 मतलब मिलता है, या फिर वाउचर पैकेज का समझो 100 का 2 लिया और एक 100 का एडवर्टाइजमेंट पैकेज लिया, ठीक है ना, और दोनों मिला के भी होता है, ये एक चीज है। और दूसरी बात कि वाउचर पैकेज हमने 30 लिया है, उसमें से 5 ही हमने यूज किया है, और बाकी के जो हमारे डायरेक्ट में है वो पहले ही हमने उसका केवाईसी कर लिया था। तो क्या सभी का जो फर्स्ट लेवल पे जितने भी है उन सभी का इस तरह से 1.5 गुना मिलेगा क्या? ठीक है ना, ये अभी क्वेश्चन मेरे को डायरेक्ट में आया है, इसलिए मतलब चलो पूछ लेते हैं।
sir, there's one more question. I request you to please take it.
Yes, Dhananjay. Yeah.
The question is: suppose there are people who are taking packages of advertisement or either PV packs. Okay. Now, if they are taking, suppose there are person who have taken 10 PV pack earlier. Okay. Now they are buying on with more packages. Okay. Now suppose if 3 packages come together of say 100 PV. Okay. Now, can we combine that and the person is eligible to get 1.5% or something like that?
50% more, yeah.
50% more?
It only counts on the packages that you buy. Okay, it's not if you brought 10 people, they paid their 10 euros and become under you, not counted, right? But if you have bought, let's say, a 50 euro lifestyle package, which gives you 5 PVs, right. You have gone and bought let's say 200 what do you call 100 2 times 200 advertising packages,
okay,
and bought again another 50 euro. Now you have already bought 300 euros, right?
Yes.
So
50 100 100, correct?
Right.
So
yes.
When you have bought more than 300, either in one purchase or multiple purchase, and it adds up to 300 or more for the first 12 months, you will get 50% more. So instead of you get 1,500 per annum, or if you divide by 12, you will get what we call 125 euros, not only for that number of people that you've bought, but if some people have joined you and they paid 10 euros, even when they watch the ads, you will also get 125. Follow me?
Yes.
All right?
Yes,
but they
yes.
will still continue getting the 100%, not the 150%. All right? Only you, the one who has purchased 300 or more euro packages, combined or single purchase.
So it can be in a combination of, suppose I purchase say 15 PV packs and 15 the ad packs. So it can be a combined together.
Yes. Purchase simply means any one of the lifestyle or ad package. If it adds up to 300 euros, then you are qualified. Okay. If for whatever reason you are qualified and you don't get it, please immediately write to the support.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
हाँ, सेकंड वाला भी पूछ लीजिए सर।
क्या था सेकंड वाला?
सेकंड वाला था कि किसी ने पहले ही अपने फर्स्ट लेवल पे 20-25 लोगों का केवाईसी कर दिया है, उसके बाद में उन्होंने 300 यूरो का पैकेज या कॉम्बिनेशन पैकेज लिया और अपने 5 लोगों का केवाईसी किया है, ठीक है। तो क्या पूरे के पूरे जो 30 लोग हैं या जो 20 लोग हैं उन पे 1.5 गुना मिलेगा, क्योंकि 5 वाउचर यूज किए हैं, बाकी के 25 वाउचर नीचे यूज किए हैं या किसी को बेचे हैं, ठीक है ना। तो इस तरह से भी हुआ है, और या क्या फर्स्ट लेवल पे जितने भी लोग हैं उनको फुल मिलेगा, या 30 मिनिमम होना भी जरूरी है, ठीक है ना, ये भी चीज है।
So there's
फर्स्ट लेवल
one more question which has arisen. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, suppose there are people initially who were not aware about the package system and everything. Okay. Now they have already purchased pens from different people, or different people have made their payments for KYC and everything, and they have activated around say 10 or 15 or 20 people under them. Okay. But now since they have known that there is a purchase of package, and now if he buys a package of 300 or any package which is above 300, is the entire first level of this is eligible for 1.5% income? The people who have joined earlier
Okay.
also.
A good question. What do you want the answer to be?
So I'm asking you because
No,
we wanted to make sure.
I'm asking you, what do you like the answer to be? A big fat yes, yeah? I said, is it? Yes.
Yes, yes,
Answer is
Fantastic,
yes.
sir.
yes,
The answer is yes.
yes. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
The earlier people also will be eligible, even though.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
They're
yes.
all your people. All the company wants to make sure that you have, at some point of time, while the package, the offer is valid, you buy a package. So better. That's why I kept on saying, you have the next 4 days to do it, my friends.
Okay.
All right. Please make sure that all the people know about this. It doesn't matter how many people you brought before. They bought 10 euros, and you have, let's say, 100 people on your front level. If you bought your 300 advertising package, and that gives you 60 sponsorship, now you have 160 people. When they watch ads, each one of them will contribute 125 euros per month for you for the next 12 months. Okay, that's it.
Really great, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so thank you very much, Mr. Chandran Pandey.
Thank you,
Vijay,
sir.
Thank
Thank
you so much,
God bless all of you, all right?
and Mr. Farouk, for coming to this
Yeah,
meeting
it
and
was a-
guiding us. And I would request once again that you keep coming to our meetings, and so you can guide everyone on a regular basis.
All right, sure.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a
It's
pleasure.
our pleasure. It's our duty. Thank you very much, Dhananjay.
Yes.
Thank you,
And
thank
to
you,
all
sir.
the
Thank
friends, I know some of you, and we have talked in the in our international meetings. So it's a pleasure seeing all of you. Don't worry, everything is going in the right direction. God bless
Thank
all
you
of
so much, sir. You have given more good news to us, sir. Thank you
Thank-
so much.
Thanks,
Thank
Sunil.
you,
Welcome,
sir.
welcome.
Thank
People are
you.
really excited out here, and we'll make
Yes,
sure
yes,
that
yes.
India
We
has
are
the
all
maximum
excited.
amount
We are
of
very
Thank you.
excited.
I'm glad our coming here is got you to be happier. All right.
Absolutely, sir.
Just
Yes, sir.
keep your fingers crossed. Pray to Bhagwan, and we are all okay.
Absolutely, sir.
All right.
Thank you so much once again. Thank you so
God
much.
bless. All right.
Definitely,
Thank you.
definitely.
Long life
Long
for
life
you,
to all
sir.
of you. Yeah.
Thank you
I-
so
Thank
much.
you
Thank
so
you,
much,
sir. Thank you, Karu, sir.
I
Happy
just want to say
Chinese New
something
Year.
before I leave. Can I say something?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes,
Can I
sir.
say something, please? You
Yeah,
see,
go ahead.
I know Dharanjay said that our coming has inspired you all is good, but you know, we have our admins, Vijay and Chandan Pandi, Alok, and a few others. They are also well informed.
Absolutely.
So we also take their words. They are our admins, you know, they know what's
Yeah.
happening.
Vijay
Right.
asked the question for your sake, not for
Yeah.
his sake.
Yeah, okay. So
Yes,
thank you
sir.
very much.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you
Vijay.
very much for inviting.
Thank you.
Chandan,
Thank you, sir.
see you again,
Chandan,
my
see you
brother.
again.
See you. Okay.
Thanks,
right.
thanks, sir. Thanks, Captain
Okay.
sir. Thanks, magician sir.
God bless all.
Yes. We'll see you.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
चंदन सर फिलहाल आप टेक ओवर कर लीजिए 2 मिनट के लिए.
ओके, थैंक यू. तो दोस्तों, अभी आपके सामने हमारे 2 ग्रेट लीडर कंपनी के कर्ता धर्ता कारू सर और अरुण सर मौजूद थे. बहुत सारे अपडेट मैंने इसलिए लेके आया था. मैंने काफ़ी रिक्वेस्ट क्योंकि उनका एक मिनट हम बहुत कीमती है, हमसे ज़्यादा कीमती है. हम लोग तो यहाँ पर कर ही रहे हैं. ये हमारे से ज़्यादा कोई कंपनी के डायरेक्ट एडमिन मतलब बहुत कुछ काम है उनके पास, हमारे से ज़्यादा काम है. हम अपने आप को समझते हैं कि हम बहुत काम कर रहे हैं, तो हमसे ज़्यादा कई गुना ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं वो. ठीक है, फिर भी हम कुछ चाहते हैं कि हमारे सभी लोग अच्छे से गाइड हों, अच्छे से उनको मालूम चले कि वो जिस कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं वो कंपनी कैसा है. बीच बीच में हम इसलिए अरुण सर को बुलाए. आज बहुत सारे अपडेट थे. धनंजय सर अभी आपको हिंदी में भी उसको रूपांतर करके बताएंगे. और मुझे आशा है कि रात को 8 बजे की मीटिंग में हमारे सुनील शर्मा सर भी उस चीज़ को पूरा कवर करेंगे. और हर चीज़ देखिए, मैं अभी सुनने में काफ़ी और बहुत सारे लोग बताते हैं कि सर इस मीटिंग में ये बताया जाता है, इस मीटिंग में ये बताया जाता है, इस मीटिंग में सुबह में ऐसे, रात को ऐसे. सर देखिए, मैं आप लोगों को एक ही चीज़ बोलूँगा कि ये आपके ऊपर है कि आपको कहाँ. देखिए, अभी मैंने कंपनी के बोलिए तो फर्स्ट आईडी अरुण सर को मैंने यहाँ लेके आया, सेकेंड आईडी कारू सर को लेके आया, और उनसे आपने बहुत कुछ अपडेट सुना. ये कंपनी के डायरेक्ट टचअप में है, डायरेक्ट टच में है, और आपको देखिए कितने अच्छी तरीके से अपडेट दिए. अब फिर आप भूलेंगे कि सर मुझे तो सुबह में इस मीटिंग में ये बताया गया था, दोपहर की मीटिंग में ये बताया गया था, रात को ये बताया गया था. आप लोग क्या बताते हैं? ये तो आप कहाँ सुनना पसंद करते हैं? एक ही जगह जाइए ना, इतना टाइम थोड़े है हमारे पास कि हम 10-10 20-20 मीटिंग आप जाते हैं और फिर भी कंफ्यूज होके जब खंगाला जाता है तो आपके नीचे टोटल 100 की टीम निकलती है। बोला सर कितना टीम हो गया? अरे सर मेरे नीचे तो 5000 हो गया। बहुत बढ़िया। कल पूछा तो बोला सर 200 है, 800 है। तो बताइए फिर आपने क्या काम किया यहाँ पे? फिर आपने तो काम ही नहीं किया। फिर आप तो टोटल टाइम पास करते रहे। ना आपकी फ्रंट लाइन मजबूत हुई है, ना आपकी सेकंड लाइन हुई है, ना थर्ड लाइन हुई है। 7वें लेवल का तो छोड़ ही दीजिए, आप आपके कंसल्ट से ही वो बाहर है। तो ये चीज़ आपको तय करना है कि आप क्या बोलते हैं ना कंपनी ने क्या किया। आज आपने सुना ना 1.6 मिलियन 1.6 मिलियन ऑलरेडी कंपनी ने प्रोवाइड किया यहाँ पे। आपने सुना होगा ध्यान से, जिनको हमसे ज़्यादा अच्छी इंग्लिश आती है उनको शायद इस चीज़ का पता चल गया होगा कि 1.6 मिलियन यहाँ कंपनी ने लगाए हैं। तो हमने कितना लगाए हैं? मात्र मुश्किल से 1 मिलियन। और बचे हुए जो 0.4 मिलियन है वो भी हम कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। वो भी हम भरोसे में है कि कंपनी करके दे दे। हम तो यहाँ पर बस वो अपना गाय दूध दे दे और उसका डायरेक्ट डायरेक्ट मलाई खा ले। नहीं भैया, ऐसे नहीं होता है। गाय दूध देती है तब जब उसको चारा मिलता है सही सलामत। गाय दूध तब देती है जब उसको चारा मिलता है और उसमें से मलाई डायरेक्ट नहीं निकलता है। उसको छानने के बाद गैस के ऊपर भी चढ़ाया जाता है। जब गैस के ऊपर काफ़ी बॉयल हो जाता है तब उसके अंदर मलाई निकलती है, तब उसको निकाला जाता है, तो मक्खन घी बहुत सारे चीज़ बनते हैं। डायरेक्ट दूध गाय भी नहीं देती है। तो आप सोचते हैं कि ये ज़ारा फिश स्टाइल वो गाय है, डायरेक्ट दूध दे दे हम पी ले बस काम ख़त्म। दूध दे वहीं से मलाई बनाए और कहाँ खाएं और चले जाएं। नहीं, ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है। ठीक है, काउंटडाउन को देख रहे हैं, टीम साइज को दिखा रहे हैं। पहले तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके देते थे सर मेरी 5000 की टीम हो गई, कल दिखाए तो 800 की टीम। फिर कहाँ गई 5000? 4200 लोग कहाँ गए आपके, ये बताइए। 4200 लोग कहाँ गए? यही अंतर है काम करने में और बस देखने में। तो बहुत सारे अपडेट आज थे, उसको हिंदी में अभी धनंजय सर कवर करेंगे। यूट्यूब के माध्यम से भी आप जाके सुन सकते हैं। यूट्यूब के ऊपर भी हम लोग लाइव हैं। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि धनंजय सर जितने भी छोटे छोटे पॉइंट थे उन सभी पॉइंटों को अभी आपके सामने कवर करेंगे।
सर क्या हम एक काम कर सकते हैं, क्या हम ये सारे अपडेट्स डिटेल में 8 बजे के मीटिंग में कवर कर सकते हैं?
श्योर श्योर श्योर,
प्लान
क्योंकि
प्लान ना दें
6:30
आज, हाँ
हाँ,
प्लान ना
मुझे
करें
थोड़ा
आज।
प्रोसेस करने के लिए टाइम चाहिए क्योंकि
जी
बहुत
जी
सारी
जी
चीजें जो मैं पॉइंटर्स वाइज लिखता हूँ और फिर 8 बजे में मीटिंग करता था।
यही मैं भी सोच रहा था।
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है सर। तो काफ़ी अपडेट आज हैं हमारे पास। आप लोग सुने ही, जिन लोगों को इंग्लिश आती है उन लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा, और
जी
मेरे
जी
जैसे
जी
कुछ लोग होंगे जिनको नहीं आती, उनको
अरे
थोड़ा
नहीं
सा
सर, आपको भी बहुत अच्छी आती सर।
जिनको नहीं
आप छुपे
बहुत
रुस्तम है सर।
सर आप कुछ तो कीजिए, मुझे पता है बहुत कुछ हो
यस
जाएगा।
यस 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 यस,
कोई बड़ी बात
नहीं
नहीं है। तो
आई विल बी
प्लान
देयर
कब
आल्सो,
करना
आई
है
विल बी
अभी?
देयर।
कोई शॉर्ट में प्लान कवर करेगा अभी ये मीटिंग के लिए?
नहीं, प्लान तो अब मेरे ख्याल से आज रहने दो। आज तो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी अपडेट्स मिली है, दैट इज गुड न्यूज फॉर अस कि जिन्होंने पैकेज लिया है
मैं
नहीं
अगर
लिया है।
दो तीन लाइनों में दो तीन चीज़ों को कवर करूं तो विजय सर कवर कर देंगे। विजय सर जो जो चीज़ें, यस एंडी मैम, आपके
इंडियन
सामने एक
मैजिशियन।
नेपाल से लेडीज हैं एंडी मैम, प्लीज़ वो आपको बताएंगी आज का अपडेट। देखिए
ग्रेट
एंडी मैम
ग्रेट।
प्लीज़ वेलकम। और नेपाल की मैम है, काफ़ी देर हमारे इनसे हमारा इनका बात होता रहता है। और एंडी मैम नेपाल की पूरी कार्यभार संभाल रही हैं, एंड नेपाल
एडमिन भी
से
है,
अकेली एडमिन
एडमिन
है,
भी है।
अकेली एडमिन है और काफ़ी अच्छे से काम संभाल रही हैं। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि आज जो जो मुख्यतः पॉइंट हुए मैम, मुख्य मुख्य, उसको आप थोड़ा सा लोग हमारे लोगों को बताइए प्लीज़ मैम, वेलकम।
जी धन्यवाद सर। सब लोग के लिए गुड इवनिंग बोलना चाहती हूँ।
थैंक यू, वेलकम मैम।
वेलकम मैम, वेलकम।
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। मेरे इधर भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, फिर भी मैनेज करना पड़ रहा है। बहुत अच्छा लगा आज टाइम निकाल के मैं ये मीटिंग में आ रही हूँ। काफ़ी 8-9 मंथ से मैं ये मीटिंग में हूँ। मैं स्टार्टिंग से ही हूँ। जब मैं जाला पिस्टल में आई थी देन तब से मैं चंदन सर के मीटिंग में आ रही हूँ और बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आपकी बातें सुन के बहुत मोटिवेट भी हो रही हूँ। इधर भी अच्छे से काम चल रहा है, टीम बिल्ड हो रहा है। समथिंग 10,000 केवाईसी नेपाल से जा रहा है। ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। हमारे
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड।
क्या
यहाँ
बात, बहुत बढ़िया।
क्योंकि हमारे पास पेमेंट गेटवे का बहुत बहुत झंझट है। शायद आपको पता होगा।
जी, जी।
यहाँ पे जितना इंडिया में इजी है ना, इतने नेपाल में नहीं है। क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, फिर भी हम यहाँ मैनेज करके केवाईसी कर रहे हैं और अच्छी टीम भी जा रही है। तो सबके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। गॉड का गिफ्ट है, हम जाला पिछाल में टिके रहे। 9 मंथ हो गया, हम जाला पिछाल में टिके हुए। 9 मंथ कंप्लीट हो गया। धीरे-धीरे कंपनी के लीगलाइज़ जो कंपनी हाउस के डॉक्यूमेंट्स आ रहे हैं और हम लाइव भी देख सकते हैं। हम लाइव भी देख सकते हैं। जब हम वेबसाइट पे जाएँगे, स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे तो वहाँ पर हमें रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर मिलेगा। कंपनी हाउस के वहाँ से रिडायरेक्ट होगा। देन हम लाइव देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि लोग बिलीव नहीं करते। जाला हॉस्पिटल क्या है, ये कैसे काम करता है, विज़न क्या है, मोटिव क्या है, हमें जानना चाहिए, हमें समझना चाहिए। बाद में हमें पछतावा करके कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें एक गुड डायरेक्शन में हमारे गोल निश्चित है। इसलिए हम रात-दिन मेहनत करते हैं। लोगों को हम हमारे पास खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं होगा ना, हमारे भी फैमिली हैंडल करके भी करनी है। और सब लोग की फैमिली है, फिर भी हम डे नाइट लग के हम नेटवर्क बिल्ड करने में, लोगों की हेल्प करने में लगे हुए हैं। चाहे वो जिसके भी रेफर हो, चाहे वो जिसकी भी नेटवर्क हो, हमें उससे कोई मायने नहीं रखता। जस्ट वो व्यक्ति जाला पीछा का मेंबर है, चाहे इस देश का हो, चाहे बाहर का हो, हम सब लोग हम क्या करते हैं, उसकी हेल्प करते हैं। ये हेल्पिंग जो भी हमारा नेचर है, ये बहुत है। और अच्छा लग रहा है सर, आपकी मीटिंग में आके। मैं कुछ शायद मेरे हिंदी अच्छे नहीं
हुँ,
होंगे, फिर भी मैं
बहुत
बोल
बढ़िया,
रही हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया।
फिर भी
क्या बात!
मैं
जी,
बोल
जी।
रही हूँ। और और आज अरुण सर ने जो बताया है, वो बहुत अच्छी गुड न्यूज़ है हम सब के लिए। हम अभी क्या कर रहे हैं, काउंटडाउन को फोकस कर रहे हैं। हम क्यों कर रहे हैं काउंटडाउन को फोकस? हमें करना चाहिए, अपनी टीम की अपनी टीम बिल्ड करना चाहिए ना। हमारे कितनी केवाईसी हुआ है, कल से तो हम देख पाएंगे ना, फर्स्ट लेवल में कितने लोगों का केवाईसी हो रहा है, फिर 7 लेवल का कितने लोगों का केवाईसी हो रहा है, टीम अच्छे से केवाईसी कर रही है या नहीं कर रही है। मैं क्या बोलती हूँ, फर्स्ट आपने क्या करना है, आपने फर्स्ट लाइन के